So right now we're in the Carlsbad caves or caverns. You're not supposed to talk really loud, so I'm whispering, but you can see there's amazing caverns everywhere. Stalagmites, stalactites, it's really neat. Every corner we turn, there's another spectacular formation. You can see there's a huge circular formation in the rock behind me. This is all caused by water dripping, which is just amazing to me.
Got out of Carlsbad Cavern and it was spectacular.
It was way beyond our expectations. I mean, it is the biggest cavern we've ever been in. We've been in a couple, but this was the best for sure. You drive in and it looks like you're not going to see much, but once you get in, it's amazing.
Yeah, in every corner there was just some new formation and something beautiful and awesome to look at. So if you're in the area, this is an absolute must stop.